Hi, good morning, guys. So, today we are headed to Scotland. We are going to Edinburgh, and it's 9:30 right now, and we have a train leaving at 10:15. So, we are just leaving for the station right now, and I'm very excited for Edinburgh because it is a very, very pretty place. Very pretty place. So, yeah, I'll see you in a while. Yeah. स्कॉटलैंड का वही तो वो है। गाइस, हमें बीएनबी नहीं मिल पा रहा है। हम पहुंच तो गए हैं बट हमें बीएनबी ही नहीं मिल पा रहा है। नॉट फाइंड द कीज टू द बीएनबी एंड वी आर स्टक आउटसाइड ऐसे ही। लेट्स होप जल्दी से कीज मिल जाए, वी कैन गेट इनसाइड, बिकॉज ये अलग हाइस्ट करना पड़ रहा है चाबी ढूंढने के लिए, अंदर घुसने के लिए भी इरिटेटिंग। But the place is very beautiful and Mosam is also very confusing. It's raining and also it's sunny, both together. जीता कौन जीता? भाई मिल गई चाबी, मुबारक हो। So guys, this is the entrance of our BNB and this is the hall or the pathway, और यहाँ पे सब बीच में आ रहे हैं मेरी vlogging के। In fact, the major reason जो ये मुझे वॉइस ओवर करना पड़ रहा है is because no one was keeping shut. This is the hall and it was very pretty. Like the B&B in itself was very pretty. These are all the couches. This was a recliner. These are showpieces ये बाहर का व्यू था, which was again very pretty. The lamps and everything. Side में यहाँ पे fireplace था. The fireplace, the center table, everything very cute. And this was my room. Very pretty again. And so, well organized. Then यहाँ पे is the cute little side table and a chotu si cute little vanity where we could get ready. Here I'm trying to get a look of myself. वो बाहर पीछे विंडो का व्यू था, of course. This is the TV, which was basically inside the cupboard. This was the mirror. जो बाल बिगड़े हुए हैं उन्हें थोड़ा सेट कर लिया जाए. And this was the attached washroom from the bedroom. Also nice and cute and cozy. This was the door. और इसके पीछे कुछ भी नहीं था. So I was basically very clueless कि इसके पीछे क्या dead body छुपाई हुई है या what, I don't know. So yeah, very weird. Only weird part was that door. Then this door had some basic amenities which were like utensils and pans and iron. Then one more mirror. Then we go into the common washroom, which was also very pretty. This was the showering area. This was the jacuzzi, which was very nice. Very nice. And yeah, this was the second washroom. Then there goes the second room, which two of my other friends were sharing. The first room was mine and my other friends. So yeah, this was also a very cute, cozy sa room with a very cute sa look of the backyard window mein se. So yeah, that was also cute. This was storage spaces. Then this was the dining table and dining hall wala area. Also very nice. The thermostat and everything. Then comes the kitchen. The kitchen was very pretty. You can clearly see it how pretty it is. And it had everything. सब कुछ था इसके अंदर. Very pretty. This was the back door. जो पीछे वाला backyard में it went. It was very cold outside, but this was the view. Then these were the stairs which led to another room upstairs. The stairs, although looked essay small, but very nice. I don't know, had a very good feeling to it. And this was the third room, which was upstairs. Roof, window, also it had. This was the view. ऐसे बहुत compact and cozy सा small सा room it was. Cute but very nice. So yeah, this was the third room. This was the view from the window. The views from all of these windows were very pretty, that is for sure. And this was a picture that the owners of the B&B hung on the stairs, which looked, I don't know, a little creepy. And these were also the portraits, also a little, I don't know, maybe it was just in our head, but looked a little creepy because Edinburgh in itself also has that scary kind of vibe, in spite of being beautiful. Then there was this machine, washing machine, and then just cute little showpieces were there. So yeah, that was mainly the whole tour of the B&B. And I forgot to show you, it had a pretty skylight in the kitchen. I loved this. Loved this so much. The skylight in the kitchen, the view when you look up while cooking or something, it was really very pretty. So that was the tour of our B&B, and for day one that was just it. After this we just went out to get some food and we craved for Indian food that day. So yeah. So this was basically the end of the day one vlog, and I'll keep you hanging and I'll keep this to be continued for the next vlog, which will reach you very soon. This vlog was basically very scenic and calm and also a little tiring because we did travel a lot and we were very tired by the end of the day. So yeah, that was it for this vlog, and I'll see you really very soon with the part 2 of this vlog.